was that?
Not like that.
Go right over to the left, I would. Neutral? Hey guys, welcome back to a bit of an impromptu episode of 0 to 60. Now, our really good friend Declan.
Hello.
Has just got Cup 2, well, Michelin Cup 2. Is that the right name?
Yep.
I don't want to get it wrong. Michelin Cup 2 tyres fitted.
Sorry.
What's the exact name?
Pilot Sport Cup 2.
Pilot Sport Cup 2s fitted to his M2. Now, this is completely Joe Achilles' fault, so go and tag Joe. But what I want to do, I want to know if they're actually any different. So we've spent a lot of time doing fair few acceleration runs in this car. You've driven it quite a lot since he owns it, but I've also spent a lot of time in it. We were actually out in it last night doing some timed runs. But we're going to go and see if the Cup 2s actually make a difference on the 0 to 100 kilometre sprint. Now, you've done 50 kilometres on those tyres?
Yep.
What's your initial impressions?
You can hear all the rocks that they're picking up, and the turn-in feels a lot better.
So
that's all I know so far. Traction in second is still limited.
Right, so you're still spinning up.
Yep.
And in
Might
case...
need some heat.
Okay, might need some heat. They're your tyres, worth more than my car. Now, just something to keep in mind, this car is not on its final tune yet. It's not, is it? 7 weeks on. We won't get into that. But this is the car that we fitted the Dorch Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. It is still running fully 85.
Yep.
So she's making some decent power, but there's an issue, isn't there?
At the top of third and fourth, yeah.
Top of third and fourth, he gets some strange oscillations. So he's going to have to... oh, no, you'll be fine for the 0 to 100 run, won't you?
Hopefully. It might do it a little bit in second, but we'll see.
All right. I think we jump in. We'll go and see what times we can do with the draggy. See you guys in a minute. Oh. They didn't hook up. Oh, there was a bit of wheel spin.
Oh.
They didn't hook up. Oh, there was a bit of wheel spin.
Very slow is the answer.
All right. Well, we got some heat into it. Okay, so after a rather dismal traction effort, we're going to limit boost to only 50% boost in first gear, so that should target around 10 psi.
Yep.
So let's see if that helps the Cup 2s get some traction, because they're not getting it with full boost.
Fingers crossed, eh?
All right. Hopefully this camera angle works. The launch controls in the DCTs are vicious. And even with Cup 2s, you're not getting traction.
Quarter mile.
Yep.
Bloody hell. All right, so, do you want to try less boost? Can you go any less boost?
Can go less boost. Yeah.
We'll come back to you shortly, guys. Alrighty. It's a shame we can't get a run out quick enough when the tyres are still warm.
Yeah, I know. Although I'll park it over this.
Oh, all right. Steady cams on. What was that?
Not like that.
Go right over to the left, I would. Neutral? Okay, engage neutral. Will it go to drive?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Oh, did you back off? I thought something snapped then.
It felt like it.
Did you back off?
I might have lifted ever so slightly, but no, my foot was still down. It was giving me no power.
I thought it something snapped. Just see if it'll pull away. Maybe don't do a launch. Oh, fuck it, do a launch. It's got a warrant.
What a warrant. No, that was definitely boosting way more. It did not like that.
60.
Boost by gear is not working. Because that, I saw it, I was boosting way. We've got it recorded.
Okay. That felt good.
60.
Shifted. Oh, it spun up on the shift.
Yeah.
You're just blazing Cup 2s.
Alright, another one?
Another for those Cup 2s?
A lot. Wish I was logging that.
Well, we thought we just blew up a gearbox.
Sure felt like that.
Alright, well, I think we're going to call it. Turns out that full E85 tune N55's launch control is still unusable with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Alright guys, we'll see you shortly back at the house. Enough of it. Well, we just got back and we're having a bit of a discussion on the way over. Long story short, this car's just got too much power for the Cup 2s. That's what it comes down to. We limited boost, well I say Declan limited boost, to about 10 PSI in first.
Yeah.
But just having a quick look over the clip that we got of the phone, it's not limiting it perfectly, is it?
No, by about 4,000 RPM, it was up at like 17 PSI. So it's over boosting like mad, and then it must have cut something.
Yeah, that clip where we thought, well, I thought we'd snapped an axle or something. It was actually just a throttle closure, so the ECU just shut the throttle down. But that was an aggressive throttle closure.
Oh yeah,
It felt like a metallic snap.
That was scary.
So there's a couple of things we're going to do. Basically try and speak to the tuner, see if he can work out why boost by gear is not working as intended. We need to start having a bit of a play with tyre pressures.
Yep.
And the tyres only got to about 25 degrees C, which is a little bit above ambient temperature. So we didn't really warm the tyres up either, but kind of expected them. They're a street tyre at the end of the day. I thought they were going to...
Had higher expectations for them, but we are trying to put like 450 horsepower through them. And it just dumps the clutch at 3,000 RPM and then doesn't modulate the throttle at all. It's
such an aggressive launch. Now, this is a problem we've had with this car. As soon as you went boot mod tune, really. Yeah, on all the tyres it's had, it will just spin and blaze and blaze. Declan's winding the launch control right down to the minimum RPM to launch it.
Yep.
And it's still just got too much power and it will spin all the way through. But guys, if you've got a DCT car, shoot us through some ideas on how to get them off the line, because this thing's just too wild, even with Cup 2s and an LSD.
Teach us. If not, it's a ZF swap.
Do you want my gearbox? I'll have this one.
Yeah, sure.
All right, guys, a little bit of a quick video for you. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate all the comments. And yeah, genuinely, if you've got some ideas on how to get these things off the line efficiently, we'd really appreciate it. So until the next one, peace.